Hello everyone. Today is Friday and I promised to do a drawing today for the giveaway, I guess it's Junk Mail Journal. And I'm going to tell you that I accidentally pushed pick on my, what do you call that, app to pick the name. And I don't want to do it again. So I'm just holding it over to the side because I don't want that person to miss out, because if I do it again, their name may not come up again. So that would not be fair. Okay, so anyway, I just tied this with some twine. At this point, you could put whatever you want if you want to do something else. And then, so to start from the beginning, I just took envelopes and cut around them and sewed around them, and then I put a flower behind each envelope and just kind of collaged a little bit. And they don't do anything, they don't serve any purpose except, they just kind of look cool. Then on the back I did the same thing with the bigger envelope and cellophane here, and sewed around that and put that picture behind it. Okay, and I collaged book page all over the cover of this book, which was a junk mail folio kind of thing that I got, and I just thought it was perfect for a actual folio. So when you open it here, and then we have this one here too that has the windows on this side, and then here we have a pocket here, and I have a little journal card in here, and it was made from scrap junk. Keep losing my mind. I keep thinking about a lot of things right now. Then I just put an envelope window here and put a little flower in there. You can't see it very well, but it's cute. Then I did these little tags. I just collaged back here and a flower. These were, I want to say they were clothing tags, because I think they already had the hole in them and they're too matching. I don't remember. I'd have to go back and look at my video. Then up here I have, let's just open this then. Then here I have this journal card tag, and I didn't cover the back. I'll have to do that. But at least you can see it was junk mail. Okay, this one here is another piece of card that came in the mail. I'm not sure what it was before. That's crazy. Then I did this little window here with these butterflies showing through. That was part of an envelope. This was another hello. This keeps moving. I think it's because I got it on the plastic thing. It was Hello Fresh. It was like a little thing that they put in their packaging to the mail. And then this is a little closure that I made out of soda can tops, pop tops, and I saw this how to make these on Bohemian Crafting. Anyway, it's really cool. Then you have a place in here for journaling when you open this part up. Okay. Then I have a journal card in here, and that was also from old, junk mail. I thought I had, hold on a second. Oh, maybe it's over here. Okay, there we go. I'm sorry. Then I made this little notebook out of circles. These were circles I got off of some lanterns that I bought, and I'm like, I gotta do something with those circles, and so that's what I did. I made this little notebook, and I saw this done on Tatty Treasures. If you want to go take a look at her YouTube page. I don't know why I am so lost. I have been in such a hurry the last few days. I was at my mom's most of today, and my brother's coming in this afternoon, and it's raining. I can't drive in the rain. It's just been yucky. here's another little, probably a clothing tag, maybe. This was just a little ticket I made with book page. And this opens up, and actually this comes out, and there's some journaling space there, and journaling space in the back. Okay, and that slides in this little pocket that we made, that we punched. Okay, and then this is a little, it was like a waterfall type notebook that I think it was like some restaurant or something, fast food, and each page had something written on it, and I just covered all the pages and made it journaling space here. And that needs to be glued. Hold on, otherwise I'll forget. And this shiny cardboard that you get in your trash mail, some kind of restaurant. Mary at Mary Made Journals, she suggested that, or she does, she sands them a little bit with a little sanding block or an emery file or something like that, and that takes the shininess off, so the glue will work better. Then over here we just have a little, hold on, sorry about that. It was one of those calls that you don't need. Anyway, this was an envelope thing also with the HelloFresh little envelope I got, and I just covered it with book page and stuck it in here. Okay, so that's it. But I mean, there's quite a bit of stuff in here, and it was fun to make, and I hope whoever gets it will enjoy using it or getting ideas from it or whatever. Hold on. Now I don't know how I tied that up. It's too short. Okay, I'm just gonna do this real quick. All right, now I'm gonna share the winner. Are you ready? I'm just going to set this over here and leave it this way. Right here is Linda Meredith. Can you see that? And I had moved my, I had the page open so I could pick it on screen, and I touched it and it picked. And so anyway, this is who our winner is. And thank you, Meredith, for all your support. Got another bruise too. Actually, she's been supporting me for a long time, so I'm glad to see that she would win. So thank you everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.